already going on. And we're going to talk about those Black Friday deals at Amazon and at Target. I'm super excited. There's a lot of things to look at. I've got some tips and tricks, especially for Amazon. And I've got some tricks and some cool information about Target. So let's just get into this and get started. There is your early Black Friday deals. And these are for today. And you can see now all the ones that I think all these are expired. No, you can you can see all these deals, like this little dog bed right now. It is normally $32.99. It is $25.49 on sale, and that's a good deal. It's a cute bed. It's really fat. If you go to somewhere like PetSmart or Petco, these big, thick, heavy beds are expensive. So $25 is not bad. If you have Prime, of course, shipping is free. Now, let me give you some tips and tricks with Amazon because there's a lot of sellers on Amazon. It's not only Amazon selling. There's three things. There's Amazon fulfilled, Amazon selling, so it's straight from Amazon. There's selling from a third party, but Amazon is shipping it. And then there's strictly from a third party. Now, you just have to be careful and make sure when you buy from third party, especially during a time like right now. Not only is it early Black Friday sales, so it's holiday shopping, but it's also a shortage. Everywhere's dealing with a shortage of product. So, Amazon is keeping a tighter control on inventory than um, some third-party shops are. So just make sure that you know the third-party shop, or you research them to make sure that they are fulfilling all orders, that they're not having problems with backstock, that sort of thing. Now on this one, I was going to show you, if you look over here under the Buy Now, under the Secure Transaction, this says ships from Amazon, but it's sold by Bedsure Comfy Pet. So Amazon is not actually selling this, but they are shipping it. So I feel okay ordering, but I think I'll still check out this Bedsure Comfy Pet. And look at that. They have 100% positive customer service review in the last 12 months. So that's good. But be aware that sometimes these reviews can be padded as well. So just make sure you go through and maybe check out all the feedback on here. But also, you can search the name. Click on the name up here, the link. And you can copy it and you can search on the internet as well. So do your homework if it's a store or a shop that you've never bought from before. And remember, just because it's on Amazon doesn't necessarily mean it's Amazon shipping it or selling it to you. Okay. Now let's go back. We're back at our Black Friday deals. So let's pick, let's see. Oh, let's go down here. Look, it's a Kitchenaid Mixer, right? Let's click on that. Now, you're like, oh, I love this. And look at the prices, because this is what you're focusing on. Look up here. It's a Kitchenaid Artisan mini stand mixer and attachments. This isn't the full size, so just make sure you don't get kind of awestruck by the price and by the product and forget to read exactly what you're looking at. Because if you want a full size Kitchenaid mixer, you would be upset when you got this one because it's only a 3.5 quart mixer. Let's look at this TV right here. And let's go the LG 5565. Let's go the LG 65 inch right here. Okay, this TV is normally $1,400 and it's on sale right now for $1,096. Okay, and they said that's a good deal. Well, let's see. Is this really a price drop? Or has this been going on for a while and you could have bought this for this price 5 months ago? There's a trick you can do. I'm going to show you. Come up here and open another window and then type in camel, camel, camel. 3 times, and it's a place where you can check if this is just put on sale or if it's been on sale for a while. Go back to our TV there, get our link up here and copy it, and then go back to camel, 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 paste your link in there, and hit search. Okay, let's see what it says. And yes, this is the lowest price it's been all year. So remember that, camel, camel, camel. I will put the link down below to check. Because sometimes on Amazon you think you're getting a sale, but it's actually been that price all year and they haven't marked it down. But because of all these Black Friday sales, you think you're getting a deal. So remember that, and I will link camel, camel, camel down below in the description. So you can definitely follow up and check that out. Another thing is to, sometimes if you're on Prime, you can get Prime peeks or sneak peeks at items. Whoops, there we go. You can get sneak peeks at items, and so when you look at your list up here, sometimes you can get, there'll be a timer saying this deal is going to start in an hour. If you're Prime member, sometimes you can see something that says Prime sneak peek, and you can actually start shopping like 30 minutes before non-Prime members. So that's a perk of being Prime, and I think we should get perks because we pay for Prime. Okay, so that's Amazon. Let's go over to Target. Now, what is Target doing? Well, Target has early holiday shopping too. Okay, and they have a deal of the day, and then they have all of these categories with their holiday prices. It's the same categories, basically everything: toys, electronics, kitchen, home, everything, beauty, clothes. And Target's doing it a little different. Every Sunday in November, Target's going to release more deals. So you just have to keep checking back every Sunday. Set your alarm on Sunday to come check it out. And you'll find more and more deals. And that's what's really great. Also, Target has this deal where if you buy something from them, let's go down here and look, we're going to go to our little categories. And let's go to entertainment deals. And, oh, wait, no, sorry. Let's go to TVs. Okay, and they have all their TV deals. So let's say you want this TV for $169.99. So you put it in your cart and you purchase it. Well, look at this. There's a holiday price match guarantee. And the holiday price match guarantee, their holiday price match guarantee is right down here. And it says, rest easy with our holiday price match guarantee. We'll match the price if it goes lower at Target before 12/24. So say you bought that TV for $170, and then 2 weeks from now you see that it's on sale for $80. You can take your receipt and you will get the price difference. That's a deal. Good job, Target. Target also has some great home deals. You just pick what you want. Let's look at bedding, home decor. Let's look at home decor. We all love Target home decor, right? Okay, I like these bottles. They're $18.99. You get, whoops. Yeah, don't you hate it when you do that? And I do that. It's a 6-pack of amber, old-timey looking medical bottles, vintage style pharmacy bottles. Love that. For $19 for 6. That's not a bad deal. It tells you the highlights here, and you put them in your cart. You buy them. If they go on sale later, then you'll get the price difference. Now watch though too here, okay? Because you think I'm on Target, everything for sale on Target's website is from Target. Nope, just like Amazon, it's not. So see, it says sold and shipped by E4 City. So this isn't from Target at all. So you click on E4 City, and there is about their partnership with Target, a little bit about them, and then you could also search for reviews on the internet about E4 City and decide if you want to partner with them or not. So remember, when you're shopping at Amazon.com, Target.com, Walmart.com, you might not necessarily be shopping from Amazon, Target, or Walmart. You may be shopping from other third-party retailers. So make sure you pay attention. Make sure you check it out, because, you know, you want to make sure that you're spending your hard-earned money. You don't want to order something that you really want, or you really want it for a gift, and guess what? It doesn't show up because the third-party retailer didn't really keep track on their inventory really well, or they were kind of shady to begin with, or whatever. So just make sure anytime you order from any of these big sites now, they do give that opportunity to smaller businesses, which is great. The only thing is they don't monitor the quality. They don't guarantee the professionalism of these businesses. So that's just something to keep in mind. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this kind of review of all the Black Friday deals that are up now and continuously going up between now and the holidays. So be sure and check those out. And if you like this video, be sure and give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit that little bell, and leave me a comment down below. What is your favorite online shopping experience that you've had up until this year? Take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye.